Hello my friends, so welcome back to the channel. With you as always Anfisa Belarus, and today we actually got another sad news that Danish brand of furniture and textile Jysk is actually leaving our country. So they're gonna close all the stores in Belarus on 18th of April, and currently it's already not possible to order any kind of goods on their website. This is really sad. Again, we have the example when sanctions affecting normal local people. At the same time, I should say that in Belarus we have actually a lot of furniture productions, a lot of factories which doing furniture, but there is such kind of problem when the design is not so modern as our people would like to have. And also we should think how many people actually working as a store. This is totally crazy. So again we have the situation when people losing their jobs. The first Jysk store in Belarus was opened in November 2016 in Minsk. Now the company has 10 stores throughout Belarus. And earlier the Danish furniture retailer announced its withdrawal from Russia. Jysk is an international retail chain with a presence in 45 countries. Its first store was opened in Denmark in 1979. So my friends, let's come inside of the store, let's see what is actually going on here. They say it's huge queues, so let's check it. I should say that there are really a lot of people here. You cannot compare what we have normally as a store. It's probably already the kind of queue to something, I don't know. And already empty shelves with some goods. Here you can see they're doing 43% for actually blanket discount. Looks like pillows are very in demand currently in Belarus. And again 30% extra discount. Again empty shelves. And some chairs also sold out, as you can see. And this is a line of people which plan to buy something here, so it's a queue to a cash register. You can see how many people. Crazy. What can I say? It's really lots of people there. It's totally crowded, and I don't know if it's a really smart idea to actually spend your time standing in a queue. And also it was really important for me to tell you that Belarusian people, we are really supporting Ukrainian by coming to the border by cars, bringing food, medication, stuff like that. Thank you my friends for watching the video. I hope you like such kind of reportages. Take care and greetings from Belarus.